This video shows you how to replace a toner cartridge in your printer. Open the front door. Remove the used toner cartridge. Shake the new toner cartridge 10 times to redistribute the toner. Insert the new toner cartridge. Unlock, and then remove the waste toner transfer unit. To avoid spilling the toner, place the unit in an upright position. Remove the printhead wiper, and then clean each of the printhead lenses 3 times. Clean the printhead lenses regularly to avoid print quality issues. Put the printhead wiper back into place. Insert the waste toner transfer unit, and then lock it. Close the front door.